This is the set 2 video I'm making for Waec Withheld candidate BECE 2025. Inti mesra we candidate na se wonya hwe previous video na yedi kan set 1 video kwane kore se within mu a waba set 2 wadamfo bi so a wonim no share video yi ma no so inti member set 1 and 2 and 3. We set 2, set 3 video will be dropping soon after I post this video. So let me take you through the list of withheld candidates of BECE withheld candidate 2025 BECE. Let me start with these names: Ajewa Elan, Ajay Elan Ajewa, and Afi Kakari Petra, Boatin Bright, Ajay Jenes Kwe, and Zukunu Irama, Ofori Kelvin Ajekum, Zokoto Paul, Afrifa Opoku Eric, Vladimir, Jemfi Christabel, Azari Fidelia, Aqua Godfred, Yelumuna Sophia, a champion blessing, Asari Harry, Bafo Henrietta Mensah. Then we goes on, it goes to Bema Mary Boama, Salvatore Daniel Ajay, Victoria Frimpong Prince Ata, Ahima Doris Uku, Mumuni Ganiu, Apia John Frimpong, Dufie Mensah Akia, Isa Salamat, Isufu Mohammed, Awal, Nkrumah Ramsey, Osomafo Anita. Na afi, so it continues. Nkrumah Ramsey, we've said it. Osomafo Anita, we've said it. Tanibe Sokolastika Barima and Banlema Dina Amidia Amidia Vida Mirideya Sadiq Mohammed Fatima Okra Prince Sansan Kufi Kunyomin Daniel Lemfine Adu Theodoria and San Francis Apia Christabel and Babinoti Hamdala Baka Aziz Balerete Maxwell Binyo John Nyajasan and Bin Nyanyadam Amos Liborija Derek Perpetua Mustafa Elia Nachib Bakatil and Mobili Lydia Mboriki Intisombon Happy Bilijo Pambim Kelvin Techiwa Victoria Karim Selima and Answairi Desmond Abdulaziz Abdul Majid Mumud Shagari and Abdul Basir Zanuddin Abdul Karim Rakia Abdul Rahman Uzef Abdul Rashid Fauzia Abdul Rauf Harul Hayat Abdullahi Abdul Fatah Abdullahi Aisha. Muslims names, plenty. Abubakar Ahmed, Abubakar Alimatu, Abubakar Rabiatu, Abubakar Sadiq, Abubakar Salim, Adam Farouk Osei, Adam Hamdia, Adam Ibrahim, Adam Mukararma, Adams Mohammed Sadat, Al Hassan Seidu, Ali Tofik, Awudu Wahid, Aminu Mudasiru, Ayoba Sumaya, Don Kodush Yadom, Farouk Mariam, Kanjim Nafisa to Muhammad, and then Moni Olivia, Abdullah Sultan, Yakwa Ruth Akia Usua, Ajimai Janet, Amuzu, Angela. And then it goes to Abuaji Bright Kofi, Sapon Claudia, Janwa Mafo, Samuela Adey, Jakon Babara Amisare, Jakon Judith Sewa, Achan Francisca Mandi, Abonuga Samuel Kafui, Ajiwa Olivia Nana, Obo Emanuela, Pepra Andrews, Ampon Justice, Ampon Justina, Gota Edem, Zamasi Lina, Kusikuma Patience, Isa Ahmed Biyom, Akeribo Gideon, Ayengura, Isa Sylvester. These are the list of withheld BECE candidate 2025 for Waec. This is set 2. If you haven't watched the set 1, make sure you go to our platform and watch the set 1. So that if you see that you cannot find your name in the set 2, go and check set 1. Set 3 will be coming very soon after I post this video. Make sure share this video to your friends and your loved ones so that they also get to know either they are part or not. Waec is or sending SMS messages. So if you are receiving any SMS messages or you haven't, make sure you check on the list. And then you see that if your name is part or your name is not part, then you know that okay, you are free to go, because WAEC wants to release the results, but they need to make this clarification to the candidate before they release it, so that it will not cause traffic when the results is out. Thanks for joining us today. If today is your first time, click on the plus sign, follow us on all the social media handles at Karma Studios. Now, if you are subscribing now, to post notifications so that any update you get notified from this amazing platform. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar, and I'm finally out.